Good time to share. Today we're going to be sharing with you another easy pasta recipe. This is going to be a pumpkin pasta recipe. We hope you're going to enjoy it as much as we did. So to get right into it, the first step is you're going to cut your pumpkin. Cut it as easily as you possibly can. So 300 grams of pumpkin. Cut it into small pieces so that you can cook it easily. Next step is 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a big pan or in a big pot. Add in a clove of garlic and a bit of chili and fry this for a minute. You can omit the chili if you don't want. Then you're going to add in your pumpkin and fry this together for about 5 minutes. Turning it from time to time because you don't want to burn anything. Then after 5 minutes, you're going to add a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of parsley, and fry this together for 2 minutes. Continuing to turn from time to time so that you do not burn anything. After 2 minutes, you're going to remove your clove of garlic and then you're going to add a cup of water to boil your pumpkin. Just boil the pumpkin until it is slightly tender for about 10 minutes. If the water wasn't enough, you can add a bit more as you're cooking it. Feel free to do that. So at this point, after 10 minutes, my pumpkin is slightly soft, so I can just try to break it up a little bit like that. And then I'm going to add a cup of water. This water is what I'm going to use to then boil my pasta with a pumpkin. So put in 200 grams of pasta. You can use any type of pasta you like. And then add in a bit more water. Just make sure to use hot water and add some salt to taste. So always keep in mind the cooking time of the pasta you're using. Mine is 9 minutes, so I have to boil this for 9 minutes for my pasta to cook. When it is almost done, I add in a teaspoon of cheese. And then I'm also going to add in another teaspoon of parsley and just mix that up as it is simmering. If you want, you can omit the last teaspoon of parsley if you don't like parsley that much. And at this point, your pasta is done. Your pasta is ready. Buon appetito a tutti. We hope you enjoy this. Until next time, it's bye-bye.